We have discussed several problems under this topic stoichiometry. Now we are going to discuss another problem in this video. Let's see the problem. How many grams of O2 are required to react with 11.2 liters of H2? How many grams of O2 are required to react with 11.2 liters of H2? This is the chemical equation. Hydrogen plus O2 we get H2O. Now we need to balance this chemical equation. 2H2 plus O2 we get 2H2O. You can see the ratio here. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of O2. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of O2. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of O2. Here we have been given 11.2 liters of H2. First of all, we have to convert this 11.2 liters of H2 to moles of H2. Before that, we must know, we know 1 mole of gas requires 22.4 liters room at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. 1 mole of gas requires 22.4 liters room. Room means volume. 1 mole of gas requires 22.4 liters volume. Here we have been given 11.2 liters of hydrogen gas. Now we have to convert this 11.2 liters of hydrogen to moles of hydrogen. Let's convert 11.2 liters of hydrogen to moles. We know in a 22.4 liters there is 1 mole of hydrogen. In a 22.4 liters there is 1 mole of hydrogen. Then we have 11.2 liters of hydrogen. Therefore, in 11.2 liters, how many moles of hydrogen are there? In 11.2 liters, how many moles of hydrogens are there? We have to find it. It is not difficult. 1 mole H2 divided by 22.4 liters hydrogen multiplied by 11.2 liters hydrogen. 1 mole hydrogen divided by 22.4 liters hydrogen multiplied by 11.2 liters hydrogen. Here we can cancel out units H liters hydrogen. Then we get the answer 0.5 mole hydrogen. 0.5 mole hydrogens. This 11.2 liters of hydrogen means 0.5 moles of hydrogen. We know the ratio. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen. I have written it Again, 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of O2. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of O2. Now we have 0.5 moles of hydrogen. To react with 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen is required. Now we have to find, to react with 0.5 moles of hydrogen, how many moles of oxygen are required. We can find it in this way: 1 mole of O2 divided by 2 moles of hydrogen multiplied by 0.5 moles of hydrogen. In this way, we can cancel out mole hydrogen, then we get 0.25 moles of oxygen. 0.25 moles of oxygen. We have been asked to react with 11.2 liters of hydrogen. How many grams of oxygen are required? We have found moles of oxygen. Now we have to convert it to mass in grams. We know mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Mass equals number of moles times molar mass. We have found number of moles 0.25 moles. Molar mass of oxygen is 1632 gram per mole. 0.25 mole times 32 gram per mole. Now we should cancel out mole. Then we get the mass in grams. 8 grams of oxygen. Our answer. Then to react with 11.2 liters of hydrogen, 8 grams of oxygen, 8 grams of oxygen are required. Please next video for more examples. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.